Hello guys, welcome back to the start of Daily Vlogs. We're here in a windstorm. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, hang on. Well guys, you can't see, but we lost our fence over there. The goal almost just flew away. The tree's about to fall down, so what a way to start the video. Trash cans are flying across the road right now. I didn't.
No, it's on fire. Still got the park in your mom. That's cheap. That's 15 last year. I don't know what it is this year. But we didn't have a wheelchair. It's different than that wheelchair.
And then once you turn here, you'll stay on here till you reach either Pennsylvania or Delaware, one of the two.
Well, that's what, yeah, this is what I was thinking of. It's gonna be.
Okay guys, so I know today's vlog was pretty short, and basically I was gonna vlog my trip to Indy, but I wasn't able to vlog at the game or at the mall that we were at, so I really had nothing to vlog. So this is a really short vlog, but tomorrow, as you can see, I'm on vacation or whatever you want to call it, so we're gonna have daily vlogs for like the next 4 to 5 days of that, so you can get excited for that. But make sure to subscribe, buy our merch. But till next time, see ya.